Hi Buffett, I'm back with another story. Buffett Mashudu Sediki has returned. Fikile Mbalula faces accusation of political interference in Joburg ANC governance. Obviously, the ANC conference is coming, and Mbalula is a very ambitious politician. So he's trying to influence whatever outcomes in all the provinces. He'll try to influence the outcomes in order to favor him in the 2027 elections or his favored candidate. Obviously, guys. ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula is facing accusations of political interference in the city of Johannesburg's administrative affairs and the internal processes of the party's Greater Johannesburg Regional Elective Conference. Yeah, it has a lot to do with conferences, this thing. And ANC now, they will be fighting among each other. They will be fighting. They don't care about the people. Forgetting or misreading the room that they're fighting, they're losing battle. Like, the ANC is dead now. Even if you become the president of the ANC, you're not guaranteed to become the president of the country, and that's very exciting now. It's very exciting that even if they fight for the leadership of the NCI, it's not guaranteed that they will be the country's next president. It's not guaranteed at all. Actually, the NC needs to die. It's low dead. We've given them how many years? 30 years. 30 years, 35, now 33, there's 31 now in government. But still, our lives have regressed, the lives of black people. Sources within the ANC claim Mbalula has issued directive instructions regarding the appointment of the new municipal manager and has played a role in delaying the highly anticipated regional conference, aiming to influence its outcome. The controversy surrounding the municipal manager appointment came to a head this week when a report on the year-long recruitment process said to be presented to the council was recited in the 11th hour. This dramatic turn followed a hastily convened meeting at Lutuli House, the ANC headquarters, where Mbalula reportedly summoned the party's Gauteng provincial and Johannesburg regional leadership. A recited report shows former city manager Floyd Brink as the top-ranking candidate with a score of 114 ahead of Msizi Mieza and Tsepo Makola. However, ANC Johannesburg deployees reportedly received instructions from Mbalula to withdraw the report. The reason given was a failure to inform and brief the party's regional officials. Mbalula said these accusations should be brought straight to him. Beyond the municipal manager saga, Mbalula is also accused of influencing the delay of the ANC Greater Johannesburg Regional Elective Conference. Mbalula's fingers will be all over elective conference, and everyone else who has power in the ANC will try to influence the outcomes across the country. Mbalula is in better position because of his position as a Secretary General. Regional coordinator Sabona Manganye confirmed the postponement, stating the postponement of the conference is informed by the outstanding queries and disputes which requires finalization before the conference, so that the conference should focus on the agenda of how we must change and transform the lives of the people of Johannesburg. The conference, now scheduled for November 14 to 16, is pending approval from Mbalula, further fueling speculation about his directive involvement. The regional conference itself is a fiercely contested battleground, with current Johannesburg Mayor Dada Morero facing significant challenges for the regional chairperson position. Manganye and current regional deputy secretary Loyiso Masuku are pivotal figures in the upcoming context. Recent events, including Morero's State of the City address, have reportedly fueled discontent among some senior party members, leading to accusation of an autocratic leadership style. While these criticisms are dismissed by some as factional maneuvers ahead of the conference, they highlighted the deep divisions within the regions. Projections from the conference indicate a tight race. Morero has been nominated by 51% of the Johannesburg branches for the chairperson position, narrowly ahead of Masuku with 49%. For regional secretary, Manganye still leads with 62%, followed by Lebohang Chabalala at 21%. These figures underscore the high stake and the potential for the dramatic reshuffle in the regional leadership. A process Mbalula is accused of attempting to stay away from the Luthuli house. Political analyst Dr. John Molepo said accusations against Mbalula underscore the ongoing tensions between party structures and governance processes, particularly in crucial metropolitan areas. These coming weeks are likely to see further political maneuvers as the various factions vie for influence in both the city of Johannesburg and the ANC's regional leadership. The party are expected to meet again on Tuesday ahead of the next ordinary council meeting on Thursday, promising more developments in this unfolding political drama, Molepo said. So what do you think, Bafethu? I'm saying now the ANC they started to fight now. Their conference is when? Next year, 2017, 2027. And this election next year, you see, they don't care about the elections. They don't create jobs. They don't do anything. They only care about their own elections. Guys, let us vote these people out, man. I'm begging you. Let us give other people a chance. And we see you in the next video.